Rappahannock. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Madison County in northwestern Virginia, southern Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, northwestern Culpeper County in northern Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Sperryville, Oregon, 10 miles west of Culpeper, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Culpeper, Castleton, Craiglersville, Catalpa, Slate Mills, Viatown, Etlin, Nethers, Woodville, Haywood, Syria, Banco, Cordova, Rava, Ricksville, Ayler, Leon, and Boston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia.